Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learn a super easy technique how to create HTML CSS project. Yes, using ChatGPT AI tool to build this project if you don't know zero coding. How it is super easy. Let's see now. Before going to starting our session, please do subscribe and get all alerts from this channel. Let's begin the session. Yes, go to Google. I'll tell you from scratch to advanced level of steps one by one. So here what you need to do, go to Google, hit ChatGPT, hit enter. Yes, ChatGPT is an optimizing language model dialogue engine and which is November 2022 it is released. Yes, and the language model is fine-tuned, supervised reinforcement of language techniques which are applied neuro-linguistic skills. See how to use and how to prepare a super easy web project for HTML and CSS. Let's see now. Click here and for this what you need to do, it's a open source and free to use. To have an either Google or Microsoft account, to have an account, then you can use this ChatGPT. Okay, so this OpenAI, anyone can have a free account having Microsoft or Gmail account. Let's see, try ChatGPT. If you are already logged in, now you will get a window of dashboard in this way. So here we need to write the query to ask ChatGPT what is your requirement. Now what is my question? Let's simply see, very simply, create a basic HTML and CSS project. That's it. My requirement is create a basic HTML and CSS project. Just I have sent a message to the AI tool and it will take a very fraction of seconds and response. See, the response is initiated. Create a basic HTML and CSS project. You will need to create two specific files, one for HTML code and one for the CSS code. See, code is initiated and writing. What you need more? So very super easily you can use and get this project in your way and apply in your real time. See the different partially creating HTML page for index.html. So using, let's take I am using a Sublime text editor to creating this index.html. I'll show you how to approach this way. So very quickly go to select for desktop and index.html. The file HTML is extension of index.html. Get back here and here this part of code it is generated we have to take, and then we have to add this HTML reference link style.css. we have to create one more file, and here this styles also we can use to make it, and see the CSS we have to paste into that area. So see now the button click me the button and the CSS code, all the parts it is generated independently. If you are not good and understand this accumulating this part, you just ask the ChatGPT to regenerate your code. Yes, it will regenerate a program again for you. How it is generating now? To all these things are going to be integrating at single place. Let's see. Earlier you have seen independent parts of project of HTML CSS project. Now it is going to seeing a very super easily all these parts of the code at single place only. Let it finish first, then we will take a code and yes, you can use it freely. All this code is absolutely you can use it freely. Yes, let's take it. First part is completed for HTML. Just I'm taking copy code and back to here my HTML form. Just paste. Control C is a copy and Control V is a paste. I have pasted here my code. Let me check how this is. See, this is a desktop file I have saved. Open with Google Chrome HTML. See, this is my website is ready. Now I want to make it like a beautification of this particular site. How I can beautify? Let's see. What is the CSS is generated now? See, till this CSS. Just I'm taking CSS code. Now here inside the head, or else you can prepare your style.css another file, or else what you need to do, we'll create a style.css Yes, if we want, we can open file, open, save as, yeah, styles.css, styles.css, save it. Now just a minute, it's like making something. File, save as, styles.css. Where is the HTML? Yes, 2 files are created. 2 files are created. Yes, styles.css, I have taken a copy of code from here. You just observe here, this styles.css. I have taken a copy and saved here. Now let's go to like our page and reload it. Wow! I have taken what suggested for this HTML and CSS. I have taken 2 files independent, and I have created here home, about, contact, and home, about, contact, how the footer, like what you need to create like a basic HTML CSS project. Really awesome. Try today this AI tool and apply your queries and get what you want to make a master in this area. If you feel this video lecture is good for you, please do subscribe now, and for more interesting videos we'll share you by comment your views on it. Thank you.